Exploring idioms, feeling like a kid in a candy store. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its colorful expressions. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the popular idiom, feeling like a kid in a candy store. This phrase captures a universal feeling of excitement and wonder, and we're here to explore how and when to use it. So, let's get started and unwrap the sweetness of this expression. The phrase, feeling like a kid in a candy store, refers to experiencing immense joy, excitement, or enthusiasm, often because there are many appealing options or opportunities available. Imagine a child stepping into a candy store, eyes wide with amazement, surrounded by colorful sweets and treats as far as the eye can see. This idiom captures that sense of overwhelming happiness and the thrill of having numerous choices. While the exact origins of this phrase are a bit hazy, it's easy to understand how the imagery of a candy store, with its allure and abundance of choices, became associated with feelings of delight and excitement. Candy stores have historically been places where children could dream of endless possibilities, making this idiom resonate with people of all ages, reminding them of the joys of childhood wonder and anticipation. Feeling like a kid in a candy store can be used in various contexts, from personal experiences to professional opportunities. Here are a few examples. Personal joy. When I walked into the music festival, I felt like a kid in a candy store, unable to decide which performance to watch first. Professional enthusiasm. Being at the Tech Expo with all the latest gadgets made me feel like a kid in a candy store. Exploring new places. Traveling to Paris for the first time, I felt like a kid in a candy store, marveling at the sights and sounds of the city. This idiom is perfect for expressing a profound sense of happiness and eagerness, especially when faced with multiple appealing options. The phrase, feeling like a kid in a candy store, also sheds light on cultural values, especially in places where choice and abundance are celebrated. It reflects a sense of optimism and the belief in possibilities, encapsulating the joy of exploration and discovery. In learning English, understanding such idioms not only enriches vocabulary but also offers insights into the cultural attitudes and values that shape the language. Thank you for joining us to explore the sweet and joyful idiom, feeling like a kid in a candy store. We hope this video has added a bit of excitement to your day and enriched your understanding of the English language. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries, much like a kid wandering in a candy store. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.